My name is Fatia from Youngtastemasters, and today we at Greenspan Mall.
Today, we're making a fun and colorful kids spaghetti. Simple, tasty, and full of bright veggies.
And here is the recipe. Spaghetti, 200 to 250 grams. Green peas, fresh or frozen. 1 to 2 tomatoes, finely chopped or blended. 1 small red onion, sliced. 1 small carrot, cut into thin strips. Cooking oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons.
Start by boiling water in a pot. Add a pinch of salt, then put in your spaghetti. Let it cook until soft, then drain and set aside. Next, heat a little oil in a pan. Add your sliced onions and cook until soft and sweet. Stir in your tomatoes and let them cook into a light, smooth sauce. Now add your green peas and those beautiful thin carrot strips. Watch the colors come alive as they cook together. Add a little salt, then gently mix in your cooked spaghetti. Toss everything together until the spaghetti is nicely coated with the sauce and veggies. Serve warm and enjoy a bright, happy plate of garden spaghetti.
Weka maji, ichemke, nikate spaghetti, niweke, zikichemka nifua, na nikatakata nyanya na kitunguu, naweka mafuta, na naweka nyanya.
Today kids were very happy, they were very excited. Most of them have learned how to make spaghetti and minji.
Time to taste, as young tastemasters do. Enjoy!
I'm encouraging parents out there, kindly enroll your kid with Youngtastemasters for the better and the best kitchen opportunity. Thank you.